Hello guys, today we'll start with ESP32 interfacing with sensors and actuators. So first of all, open your Arduino IDE uh, and select the board which you are working on. So today we are going to work on ESP32. So search for ESP32 room model, room DA model. Okay, select this and select the port which you have attached to your ESP32. Click on OK. Next step is to write the code. First program is simple LED program, LED blinking program. So this is the simple GPIO basics program using ESP32. Once you wrote the code, check for any errors by compiling the code. Click on compile. The Arduino IDE will check for any errors in the code if present. If there are no errors present in the code, it will show compile successfully. Once it is compiled successfully, upload the code in your ESP32. Click on upload symbol. It will take some time to upload to the ESP32. Once it is completed uploading, it will show done uploading. Then next step is to connect the hardware to the ESP32.
So let's make the hardware connection of LED interface with an ESP32. So the positive terminal of the LED is connected to the 15 pin of the ESP32 as you see in the program. So and ground connection to the ground terminal of the ESP32. So after this connection, the LED should turn on and off for every 1 second. So this is the LED interfacing with an ESP32.